Generator by Michael. Before, during, after. These are pictures of before, during, after. The reason the green light is showing is because there is a battery that is connected to wires, that the wires are connected to a small metal piece that is connected to the main part of the generator. During. When I was cranking the handle, a rubber band is on a small blue circle that is spinning to another blue circle, that the blue circle is connected to the generator, and that is why the green light is showing. It helps us because it gives us electricity and light. It has potential energy stored up, and then when you crank it forward, it becomes kinetic energy because it is energy in action. Then when you crank it backwards, it shows the red light. Mechanical energy is the energy in motion used before work. Compressed strings and stretched rubber bands are an example. Then it goes to electrical energy. It's the movement of tiny particles called electrons. Lightning is an example of electrical energy in nature and is powerful. It can travel through air. This is a picture of the generator as it is showing a green light when it's getting cranked. After we stopped cranking the handle, the light on the generator did not show anymore because there is no energy getting cranked into the generator, and that is why the light is not showing. The light is a small plastic tube, so when you crank the handle, the light will not shine too bright. Conclusion. In conclusion, I experimented that my hypothesis was right. I thought that when we cranked the handle, a green light appeared, and when we cranked it the other way, it showed a red light, and that could mean that we were cranking it the wrong way. I enjoyed this project a lot.